Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to use the volume keys to turn on or off TalkBack in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here click on accessibility. Now here in accessibility, click on TalkBack and then click on TalkBack shortcut. Now first of all, turn on the TalkBack shortcut. Now to turn on, click on allow and then click on turn off. And from here select the second option, press side and volume up button, and also select the last option, press and hold volume up and down buttons for 3 seconds. So after selecting these two options, you can use the volume keys to turn on or off TalkBack. So to turn on TalkBack, press and hold the volume up key and down key for 3 seconds at the same time. So now you can see the TalkBack is on, and to turn off TalkBack with volume keys, press and hold the volume up key and down key for 3 seconds again. And now you can see the TalkBack is turned off. So that's how you can use the volume keys to turn on or off TalkBack in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.